Hello. Today I've come with a new topic, and that is adjectives. Right? Adjectives, what are adjectives? Adjectives are those words which describe noun. Right? As we all know, nouns are the naming word. Noun kaisa hai? The word that describes, the word that tells us how the noun is, are adjectives, right? So, if we are saying Rima is a beautiful girl, so beautiful is an adjective. Then Kolkata is a beautiful city. So, again, beautiful is an adjective. I have a red car. So noun is car, and which kind of car I have? I have red car. So red is an adjective here. Then he is very lazy. Right? Now he is a pronoun, but again the word lazy is describing the person. Right? So again lazy is an adjective. We are using he instead of noun. Okay? And the word which is describing that person, that noun or pronoun, is adjective. Then Ali sold his old bicycle. So bicycle is a noun, and which type of bicycle did he sell? He sold his old bicycle. So old is an adjective. So any word which describes a noun is an adjective. Right? कोई भी word जो noun के बारे में बताता है वो adjectives होता है. Now adjective have 3 degrees. Okay? Positive, comparative and superlative. There are many types of adjectives also, but that I'll be discussing in my next online session, maybe tomorrow. But today I'm just briefing you about what are adjectives and degree of adjectives, not types of adjectives. Okay? We have 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. Now, the degree of comparison depends upon between how many the adjective is getting compared. Okay? In positive case, we are not comparing the noun with anyone. Okay? We are saying he is lazy. So we are not comparing he, that person, with any other person. हम उसकी comparison नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम सिर्फ ये बता रहे हैं कि he कैसा है. He is lazy. So lazy is an adjective, and it is which degree of adjective? It is positive. Right? Then we can say Bobby had 3 brothers. Okay? So again we are not comparing Bobby with any other person. So it is adjective and in positive degree. Then we can say I live in a small village. So again small is an adjective in positive degree. Now if we come to the comparative, so comparative degree of adjectives वो होता है जब हम किसी 2 इंसान को या किसी 2 चीज़ों को कंपेयर करते हैं. Comparison is between 2, right? Only between 2. So if for example I am giving you, we are saying it is Rima is prettier than her friend. So we are comparing Rima with her friend. So we are saying prettier. Then we are saying this well is deeper than the other one. So again the comparison is between this well and the other one. So the deeper is an adjective in which degree? Comparative. So पॉजिटिव डिग्री एडजेक्टिव का वो होता है जब हम नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को किसी से भी कंपेयर नहीं करते हैं. Whereas comparative degree वो होता है जब हम नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को किसी वन पर्सन के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं. एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री वो होता है when we compare the noun or the pronoun with many. Right? She is the best girl of her class. So we are comparing she with all the other girls of her class. So comparison is between many. And that which degree comes in that case? Superlative. Best. But if we are comparing two person, we will say she is better than him. Yeah, she is better than her. Not best. Right? So in superlative form, we can say he is the thinnest boy in the city. Okay, so again we are comparing him with all the other boys of the city. So adjective of which degree? Superlative. Thinnest. Okay, then I'm giving you some very easy examples to sum up. In positive, if we say black, in comparative it will become blacker. In superlative it will become blackest. Right? So when we compare it between two, when the degree becomes comparative, then ER is added to the adjective. Whereas when the comparison is between many, when we are using superlative degree, we add EST. Right? Bold, bolder, boldest. Then bright, brighter, brightest. Brief, briefer, briefest. Light, lighter, lightest. Right? So in positive it is not compared, it is a simple form. Adjective. In comparative, the noun or the pronoun is compared with, like there's a comparison between two people, and what we add in comparative form, we add ER to the adjective. Right? And when it is a superlative form, we add EST. Correct? I'm not explaining different types of adjectives, otherwise it will be like a big confusion. So I've explained what are adjectives. Adjectives are those words which describe noun or pronoun. Adjectives have 3 degrees. Those are positive, comparative and superlative. Positive means we are talking about one person or one object. Comparative means we are comparing two person or two objects or two places, right? And superlative, we are comparing one person or one place with many. The comparison is between many. In positive form, normal adjective comes. In comparative form, we add ER to the adjectives. And in superlative form, we add EST. Correct? So I hope it is clear. Young, younger, youngest. There are some exceptions which changes totally, where we don't add ER and EST. Those I'll explain you in my next online session so that you all don't get confused. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope adjectives is clear. Tomorrow I'll be briefing you with different types of adjectives and some exceptional adjectives of comparative and superlative where we don't add ER and EST. Okay, thank you, and I'll be there tomorrow again with new video. Thank you.